Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use an elliptical trainer. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to keep the camera there right now, and then I'll bring it a little bit closer momentarily. I'm going to use two different angles to give you the best tutorial and explanation for how to use one of these. Now this is an Octane Fitness Q35X, and I've had this elliptical for a little while now, and I've learned how to use it properly. So first and foremost, you want to get onto the elliptical. Now there are going to be platforms for your feet, there are going to be handles for your hands, and there's likely going to be moving arms that are attached to the platforms. That's how an elliptical works. Now with some ellipticals, you have to get on them through the side. With this one, it is recommended that you get on from the back. It has this rear access. So I'm going to step onto the elliptical, and I recommend that you step onto the lower foot platform first, because if you step onto the higher one, it might start moving when you're stepping on. So step onto the lower platform, and then grab on the handles, okay, the stationary handles, then step onto the higher one. Now you're on the machine, okay? Now you want to turn it on, so push the power button, turn it on, and you want to select a workout potentially that you want to do. Now for this one, I'm just going to be doing a quick start workout, which is just like a quick, it allows you to just get working, get moving basically. So I'm going to click on the quick start option. Then I want to start moving my feet. And I'll go over the buttons in just a moment, but I'm holding on to the stationary handles and I'm moving my feet in almost like a fast walking or jogging motion, like this. Now as you can see, those handles on the sides are moving by themselves because they are attached to the foot platforms. Now what you want to do is you can go like this, or you can step it up and grab on the handles on the sides like this. And this will give you an even better workout. Now you'll notice I'm not keeping my feet locked in like this. I'm giving it a little bit of an angle. I'm squatting ever so slightly. That's giving me a better workout. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the camera closer, but actually before I do that, you can also go backwards. So you can go with your foot pedals backwards like this. Now I'm running in a backwards motion, okay? That gives you a better workout on your quads. So I'm going to stop, and I'll bring the camera a little bit closer as I catch my breath, and I'll show you what to do with the buttons. So obviously, every elliptical is going to be different. They're going to have different options. There's no doubt about that. However, most ellipticals are going to have at least the same basic options. So let's go ahead and let's zoom in just a little bit so I can show you what I'm talking about. And I'll move the camera like that. There we go. So essentially, you have your power. So you turn it on like this with your power. Okay. And then there's likely going to be a quick start option, which allows you to start and just start working out. It just gives you some basic options to start working out. You can also choose your workout using the program workout options right here. So you can click up and down to choose which workout you want, okay? You can also increase or decrease the level. So right now I'm on level 1, which is the most basic level. Now if I start moving, whoops, sorry about that. I actually got the tripod right there. That should be okay. No, we'll move it back. There we go. If I'm working and I want to increase the resistance, I can push level up. Now I'm on level 2, level 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what that's going to do is that's going to make it harder to actually start moving the foot platforms. It's going to increase the difficulty, okay? In addition, you're probably going to have a couple other buttons which might clear it, so I can clear the workout like that. This one has mom mode, which is going to prevent the display from being used and increase the foot platforms to maximum resistance to prevent any, kids from wanting to touch it or use it or anything like that, or any animals from doing anything with it. It has workout boosters, but you're going to have a few other options dependent on the specific elliptical that you're using, and you have an enter button right there to actually go ahead and do what you want to do. In addition, I'll zoom out for this. There we go. In addition, you're likely going to have heart rate monitors, excuse me, which are going to be stationary here, and some ellipticals even have them on the armrest as well. This one only has a stationary over here. So if you want to monitor your heart rate, what you want to do is grab onto the handles. And your heart rate, it's sensing your pulse through your palms. So you want to make sure that you're not going like this or anything like that. You want to get your hands and grip those heart rate handles full force, not hard, but just make sure you're fully gripping them. And eventually it's going to register your heart rate onto there, and it'll tell you what your heart rate is, and it's great for your workout. And that's basically it. That is how to use an elliptical trainer. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.